Today we'll make spice cookie dough, which can be used to make various kinds of spice cookies. And we will need the following ingredients for that. Put a frying pan on the heat and spill half of the sugar. The sugar melts and turns into caramel. When the sugar begins to burn, reduce the temperature by means of boiling water. Add the rest of the sugar, and as the mixture begins to boil, take it off of the heat. When the mix has cooled down to 70 to 80 degrees centigrade or 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, add 100 grams of butter, and 1 tablespoonful of spices to make spice dough. As a rule, it is ginger, cinnamon, clove. Then add 130 grams of flour. Mix the remaining flour with salt and baking soda. Separate the whites and yolks of 2 eggs. Add 1 whole egg, that is, a white and a yolk, to the yolks. Mix well. And add the stirred yolks to the mixture, which must have cooled down to the room temperature by now. Then add 370 grams of flour. All of the 370 grams of flour must be mixed into the dough. The dough must resemble plasticine. It must be very pliable and stick to hands a little. Then put the dough into your refrigerator for a day. After that, it can be used to make spice cookies. You can see examples of using gingerbread dough in the related videos.